Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and serial so you order the exact replacement. This prevents incompatible parts. Next, charge the case above 50% and the new Airpod to at least 20%. Power stabilizes pairing. Once done, make sure your iPhone or Mac is logged into your Apple ID and Bluetooth is on. This allows automatic registration. Finally, remove the damaged Airpod from the case and inspect the stem and speaker mesh for debris. Now pair the replacement. Put both AirPods in the case and close the lid for 30 seconds to let firmware sync. Then open the lid near your device. A pairing card should appear. Tap Connect, because iCloud links the AirPod to your Apple ID. If the pairing card does not show, press and hold the Setup button for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This forces a factory reset. Make sure Bluetooth and software are current to avoid handshake errors. Finish by testing audio, mic, and automatic ear detection. Go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, right arrow your AirPods for status and firmware info, because diagnostics confirm the swap. Then recalibrate fit, adjust ear tips, and run a left/right balance check to ensure comfort and accurate sensors. If you hit a problem, try simple fixes first. Toggle Bluetooth, restart your phone, and repair the AirPods. If those fail, reset the case and AirPods, then pair again. Persistent faults may indicate a faulty replacement or hardware repair need.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.